upon the Willow when I first made this harbor town. A broken heart by a fair Eliza, still fresh and raw when I came to town. Within the year I was so despondent. I've got the words wrong now. I'm gonna get divorced now. That's what's happening. Oh yes. That's why I learned a trade from Alexander, a scoundrel of the first degree. Within the year I was so despondent. Dr. But